Hello YouTube. This is another knife that my son gave me, my youngest son. Do a short video on it. Here's what it looks like. It's got a belt clip on the back side. We'll open it up here. It says it's a Smith Wesson Extreme OPS. I believe it's probably 7 inches long. I believe it's a tactical knife. Okay, to close it, you push down on the spring like all the other ones. Push down and pull forward. Close it up. Open it, you push right here on this thing. Push it all the way out and it snaps. Close it. Okay, YouTubers, that was just a quick video. Like and subscribe if you want. Thank you.